Okay guys, so this is just a small video to show an example of how you would transcribe clippings from a page of the Naturalist Scrapbook. So this is a pretty basic form of transcription. We're just going to directly transcribe the title, author, and date of the articles if it's available, and then we're going to go ahead and add some keywords to each clipping. The hardest part is going to be creating the polygon at the beginning. So you go ahead to this clicking arrow and you put it at the corner of one piece, the corner of another, the corner of another, the corner of another, and then connect a pop-up window. And this means even if you were to, need to create like a larger shape for something different, or even if you need to create a weirder shape for something else, you're going to go ahead and be able to do that. And then when you're done, your page will look, when you click out of the article you're working on,